In this video, I'll show you how to trade on Base or Coinbase Wallet. Alright, so here we are on the Base app. And in order to trade here, since this is pretty much just a wallet, the main thing that you can do is swap your crypto. That's the best way to trade here. So what you're going to do is click on swap on the top. And now you're going to have a from and to section. And in from, what you want to do is just choose the crypto that you have in your wallet. And of course, to will be the crypto that you want to swap to. And then you need to put in the amount of that token or cryptocurrency that you want to trade for and hit continue or trade. On the next screen, you will be given a review, which will include the fees as well. So keep that in mind. And then you will be given confirmation. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.